These are the sounds of survival, heard from the most southern ranging mammal of Antarctica, the Weddell seal. An estimated 800,000 of these animals inhabit the continent on sea ice attached to the land, or fast ice. While the Weddell seal is a very placid, serene mammal, its incredible diving ability makes it possible to live far away from predators. This location also makes an ideal scientific laboratory.
I don't think many people appreciate how unique McMurdo Sound is. It really is one of the premier locations in the world to study the diving physiology of marine mammals.
Texas A&M University professor Randy Davis conducts research here at Weddell World, a small research camp located on the sea ice just a few miles from McMurdo Station.
Ice on Sound provides a working platform over very deep water in which we can conduct these kinds of experiments, which would be impossible in the open ocean.
The Weddell seal is a superb diver, has a mild temper, and is easy to work with. But the water presents a problem for conducting research.
We're only able to see relatively short distances through the water.
So these scientists came up with a solution.
We brought some rather unique pieces of technology which are enabling us to basically get a view of the life of these animals beneath the sea ice here in McMurdo Sound.
The team uses the video to study underwater behavior, locomotor performance, and energy metabolism of Weddell seals during foraging dives.
And since these animals dive to great depths, their behavior is almost, we're precluded from making any direct observations from the surface. So the video system allows us to vicariously travel with the animal and observe a window on their behavior remotely.
In computer analysis of data on depth, swim speed, and bearing, enable the crew to reconstruct three-dimensional underwater paths of the dives.
And the colors tell us how fast the animal is swimming at each second of the dive. So there's an enormous amount of data here in this plot that nobody could have obtained with earlier forms of equipment used to study marine mammal diving.
But not much will be done with the information here on location.
We're trying to do some preliminary analysis of the video and the data on the ice, but much of the in-depth analysis will occur once we get back to the United States.
The results will provide the foundation for further, more sophisticated questions and hypotheses.
There's so little known about marine mammal foraging behavior generally, and Weddell seal foraging behavior specifically, that everything we're seeing is new and exciting. The Weddell seal has probably given us more insight into the diving physiology of marine mammals in the last 10 to 15 years than any other species.
The Weddell seal will continue to help expand the knowledge base because it's the unique combination of the environment and animal that make Antarctica the most unique scientific laboratory underwater.
There's really no other place quite like it in Antarctica or elsewhere in the world.